Hi there, Raj here with Trading College, just giving you an update on the markets and what's been going on in the markets. I mean, I don't have to tell you, Russia invading Ukraine has been the most dominant theme that we've had in the markets over the past week or so. But let's have a look and see what's happening in the charts anyway. So from last weekend's video that I put up, I'm very fortunate to announce that everything seems to have gone in the right direction for us since that day. I'm not sure if you remember, if you saw it, but we had the weekly PTS shorts here on the Dow Jones, so the Wall Street index going south. Then also the daily, we also have those targets for the PTS going south, and we've met those a good few times on the hourly chart. I mean, if I zoom out here, you can see these nice color changes going from from green to red, and us getting some nice shorts. So far on the last 2 days, we've had a really strong retracement to the upside, but we absolutely love it when that happens at Trading College, because what that means is we have to wait to see if this market will go back with the underlying trend to the downside following the next targets on the weekly down here and on the daily down here. So we would be looking for a rollover of this storyteller indicator here. So we call that a momentum trigger signal to the downside, but also not only that, we could be looking for these PTS triggers to the downside as well. That would be really good for us because we get another really solid trade in there for that. Let's go and look at some of the other asset classes then. So I want to have a look at crude, because obviously as the war kicks off there, crude has been going wild on the long side, moving higher. So again, it's really simple this. As long as we're green, we have got upside PTS targets, pro trading system targets. We want to be following those, and you can see how quickly on the daily these targets have been met. You know, they happen really fast. Here also, when it turned from, it was in and around this area here where it turned from red to green, we got new upside PTS targets that were met. Now we're looking for that to continue and try and turn back to the upside once more. Gold has been one of the surprise asset classes that has really pushed higher in recent sessions. Again, upside pro trading system targets here. At the moment, obviously, we're having a big retracement, but we're still interested to see whether this pushes higher. The only thing that's really interesting about this is this big candle wick, this big candle shadow. So I'll just circle that for you so you can see what I'm on about. That there. That indicates the upside has been rejected. So it will be quite hard for the bulls and the people that want to buy gold to come out and take that again. So we need to watch out there if we do get some bullish signals on the lower time frames to see whether we can actually make it about that high again. Other markets that have been interesting because of this conflict is corn. Corn has also shot up really dramatically in recent days. We don't really trade this one on the hourly chart, mainly on the daily chart, and you can see it hit targets really quickly for corn. And then lastly, I would also say one of the base metals, so aluminium. Let's just get that in there. There you go. Aluminium, that's also had a really strong move to the upside, and also a nice retracement at the moment. Maybe we can get some good trades in on the hourly chart in that direction. So really, it's all been about the war. Obviously, war's not good for markets. We've had a bit of an easing in the last couple of days, and I think over the weekend, we really need to see if this intensifies. If it does intensify, sorry, we'll be looking for these trades in those directions again. If it doesn't and it abates, then we could be looking at some reversal trades. We need to have a look and find a bit of clarity, but the charts always give us those really good signals, and they make things a lot easier for us to work out. So hopefully I'll speak to you guys next week. If you've got any questions, please do send them in, and good luck.